Good morning. This is Mr. Henry Clement. Now, this is equation and inequality. So we shall start with solving the linear equation. And year 7, year 8, we had learned the balance method. Okay, so what I do on my right, I do on my left. Okay, and then later we will go to learn about how to actually construct and solve the equation. This one also we have done yesterday. So this is just a part of the revision. And then the last part is the linear inequality. Okay, so we'll focus on the construction and the linear inequality. And then to solve the equation in the number line. And then we need to do a little bit of simultaneous equation. Okay. Then we can use some try and error and try an improvement to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, this is an interesting one. Okay, and then this is today's class. So first, we shall start with what is a linear equation. Okay, come. I'd like to use some colorful pencil. This is Mr. Henry Clement from Different Colorful Notes. Okay, so if you want to buy some colorful notes, you can always go for different colorful notes. So when you have this, when we have, for example, 4 minus 7 equal to 8. So this is the question. Is it 4? No, it's not 4 minus 7. So I do a mistake, sorry. It's an x minus 7. So sorry. It is a x minus 7, sorry. X, okay, minus 7 equal to 8. Okay. So to solve the equation, we need to keep the x. So that we can minus x7 here and then a minus 7 there on the other side. So you can see, so sorry, plus 7, sorry, not minus, plus. Okay, because to eliminate this one, to make it this is 0, negative 7 plus 7, then you can cancel out each other. So on this side, we only have the remaining x on my left side, and then this one is a 15 on my right side. So this is the answer. If we deal with something which involve the division, okay, 3x plus 2 equal to 14. So we need to get rid of this plus 2. So we need to do a negative 2 here. What I do on my left, I do on my right. So this one I can cancel out. So end up I have this one, 3x equal to this one is a 12. So I want to get rid of this 3 because what I want is to find the x just like the above one. So I need to divide by 3. So divide by 3. So this one 3 is 1, so it's 1x. So this one will become 4. So my answer is that x equal to 4. Okay, this is so-called the balance method. So to go further, but some teacher in school, I know that teacher would like to say this word. Okay? They're using this word this way. 3x plus 2 equal to 14. They say you can move this one to the other side. So this one, you move the plus 2, move to the other side, become a negative 2. Okay, so now it's a 3x equal to 12. And then this is 3 times x equal to 12. The times x move to the other side will become divide by 3, so it's 4. Okay. So both method can be used, but I would prefer student to use the balance method. Okay, because it looks like more clearly, more clearer. Okay. I think this is we have done this a lot yesterday, so we should go to constructing solving the equation. Okay, so the question says that the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 60. That means this 3 number I have number 1 is x, second one will be x plus 1, and then the next one will be x plus 2. Okay, now, for example, if this is 3, and this one must be 4, this one must be 5. If this is 14, this one is 15, this is the 16. So this is plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So now, if I add up all these 3 numbers, is equal to 60. So what can I do? I will do this x plus 1, and then plus x plus 2 equal to 60. So I want x, 2x, 3x. The like term I need to add out together. So I have 3x, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 60. So I need to minus 3 minus 3. So my 3x equal to 57. I need to divide 3. So I can cancel this one. So the x is equal to 19. Okay. So if okay, so if the sum of 3 consecutive odd number is 63, so how should you do? Yes. So number 1 will be the x. And then because of this consecutive even number or odd number, you may need to skip the 2, 1. Okay. So next one will be x plus 2. And then third one will be x plus 4. Cannot, because this is 1, then this one is 3, and this one is 5. 21, 23, 25. 21, 23, yes. So my equation will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal to 63. So 1, 2, 3, I have 3x. I have 6. So I need to minus them. For this one, the answer is 19, 20, 21. So add that together is equal to 60. Okay, sum for this one is 19, 21, 23. The sum is, you add up everything is 63. Okay, this is so-called the cross-stacking equation. So another one. If you have this one, W plus 5. So if the parameter is 50, then find W. So this W, this one is W, so it's W plus 5. So this parameter of the rectangle. So I have the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4W, 5 plus 5 plus 10 equal to 50. So 4W plus 10 minus 10 equal to 50 minus 10. So 4W is equal to 40 divided by 4, divided by 4. W is 10. Cannot. So this type of question you need to do from many of the exercise so that you can understand easily. Okay, so let's see this one. First question. An adult ticket. Okay, for the cost is twice as much as the child's ticket. The cost of the Mrs. Brown and Mr. Brown and their 5 kids. So 2 adults, 5 child. Okay. Then the cost is this one plus this one is a 3.15. So the child ticket is C. Okay. C. Okay, no worry. So the adult ticket is 2 times. So this is the 2C. So the equation will be, the A will be 2 times 2C plus 5C equal to 3.15. So this is 4C plus 5C equal to 3.15. So 9C is 3.15. So C is 3.15 divided by 9. Okay. So each one will be 0.35. Okay. So the child's ticket is 0.35. The adult ticket is 2C. So adult ticket is 2 times 0.35 will be 0.70. Okay. So this is the constructing. So this one I focus on this one. And today's focus will be the inequality. So we shall look at the inequality. Okay, I will issue the recycle paper. So if you want to support our channel, let us know how to support. Okay. Okay. So now we have equal sign is is balanced one, and now it's not equal. There's something like bigger or smaller. Okay. Before that, we need to learn this one. If you have a number line, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, and so more. -1, -2, -3. Sorry, -1. Okay. See, if I say x must be equal to -2, and then my x is here. So if I say x must be larger than, this is larger than, x must be larger than 2. So without the equal, so it should be the open one. Okay, it's a circle, not a dot. So I should more than 2. If I say x must be larger or equal, can you see this is equal? Then 3. So it will look like this, the circular one, and go to the other larger. So if I say x must be smaller than 1, should be this one, 1, and then go this way. Okay. If I say x must be smaller or equal to -1, so it must be this line, smaller. So smaller means go to the left side, then larger go to the right side. Okay, so this is the simple idea before we start the class. So now we have this one. If I have 4x plus 1 must be larger than 2x plus 5, then we have 2x on both sides. We need to group the x into one side. Usually we will move the small one to the smaller one to the larger one so that we can get the positive number. Okay, now? So always to solve this question, if we can, we try not to like the negative number, because positive number will give you a very dialect sense, and they can do the correct answer. Okay, so 4x plus 1, 2x plus 5. So if I do -1 here, then I do -1 here. So it will become like 4x, this one no more, is 2x plus 4. So now I want to move to eliminate this small one. So I can -2x. What I do on my right, I do on my left. So this one no more. So I have 2x equal 4. Okay? Because we have the x is positive number, then our operation is easier. Be careful, this is positive. I want you to move from the small one to the big one, larger one, so that you can get a positive. If you move the other side, you can get a negative number. Then it's not so straightforward answer. So do not try that. Okay, please. Okay. So then you can further divide by 2, divide by 2. So the x must be larger than 2. Oh, just like this answer, x will be larger than 2. Okay, so you have this one, 2 larger, it means that this is a white color one. So if you have something which is negative, so how? What should we do? For example, if you really have something negative, for example, negative x, which is smaller or equal to 4. So for me, I would like to use this method. Okay, I will try to do both sides so that, because I know that negative x move to the other side will become positive. So my negative x here, what I will do is I will plus an x. So on the other side, what I do on my left, I do on my right. So now the x is now no more here. So it becomes a 0. And then 4 plus x. Okay. So now next step, I get it of this 4. So I need minus 4 here. So also minus 4 here. So I'll get this one no more already. So it's x negative 4. Okay. It's better for you to do this way. Okay. Then you know that the x must be larger or equal to negative 4. So you can okay. You can make it opposite. X must be larger or equal to negative 4. Okay. Okay. Well, if you don't want to make complicated, you can always stop here. Okay. Okay. So the books has explained here. You can actually reverse the inequality signs. If not, try the method, which is always have the positive 3x instead of have a negative one. Okay. Then number line, we have just done number line. So we are not going to know number line, no, some more. Okay. So we are going to do the simultaneous. Simultaneous. Okay, simultaneous is very, how to say, interesting. Okay? Interesting question. Okay. I will try to show you in the interesting form of question. Okay. So if I go to buy 3 apple and 2 orange, the price is equal to 5. So when I have 2 apple plus 2 orange is equal to 4. So you should know that. Can you see? Here. For this one, actually is 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 1 orange, 2 orange. Okay. So this is 5 ringgit. Okay. So here I have 2 apple and 2 orange, which is this one. All together, this one is 5. But then another equation tell me that this is 4. So 5 minus 4, you know that this is actually 1. Yeah. So this is so-called a simultaneous question. We need to solve this one. Okay. Here we have 2 methods. Here we have 2 methods. but we are using the elimination method first. Okay, come. Okay, I'll give you some example. So this is the example we have. So now I have 6x plus y equal to 13. And then I have 4x plus y equal to 9. Okay, so we are using the plus and minus method. Okay, we need to plus and minus so that to eliminate 1. So we have x and y. We don't want to have x or y. Can you see I have a plus y and plus y here? So if I minus the whole thing, if I minus the whole thing, then the y minus y will become a 0 already. So I think we should do this one because we can eliminate one of them. So 6x minus 4x, I get 2x here. Y minus y, I don't have anything, 0. 13 minus 9, I get 4. So to this, now I need to divide by 2. So I get my x equal to 2. Okay. After I get my x equal to 2, I can use any of them so that to solve. For example, I use this one. So 4x plus y equal to 9. And this x is 2. So it's 4 times 2 plus y equal to 9. So this is 8 plus y equal to 9. So 8 move to the other side. So it's a 9 minus 8. So y is 1. So I find the answer. My y is 2. X is 2. Y is 1. This is my answer to solve this question. That means that if I buy 6 oranges and 1 kiwi is 13. And then I buy 6 oranges and 1 kiwi is 9. After I minus that, I get it. 1 oranges is 2. And then later, 1 kiwi is 1. Can you see the idea of finding this question? So this can be done also in, this is positive, okay? Then you can find the negative one. So for example, 4c minus 3d equal to 1. 3c minus 3d equal to 0. Okay. So this is have the same one, negative 3d, negative 3d. So it means that we need to use the minus again. Okay. Why? Okay, let's see. 4 minus 3, you get 1c. Negative 3d minus minus become positive. Negative 3d plus 3d will become 0. So this one 1 minus 0, you get 1. So 1c is 1. Now you can go put back there. Okay. For example, I use this one. 3c minus 3d, sorry, 4c minus 3d is 1. So the c is 1. So 4 minus 1, 4 times 1 minus 3d is 1. So this negative 3d, okay? We don't like to have negative. So I move this negative to the other side, it will become a 3d there. Negative become a positive. So meantime, this one, I can move to the other side to become a negative. You know, because this is positive. So I have 3 equal to 3d. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So my d is equal to 1. Okay, my c is 1, my d also 1. Okay, this is just using a plus and minus way of solving. Sometimes this one we can use plus 1. Okay, it's not minus because this is the same sign. The sign is the same, plus y, then we use minus. Negative 3d, negative 3d, so we use minus. Sometimes if this negative 3d and positive 3d, negative and positive, then you use the plus. Okay, let's see. Let's see the example. 4x minus y equal to 3. Sorry, 6x. The question give, oh, sorry. I read again, sorry. So the 4x minus y equal to 3. 6x plus y equal to 7. So can you see now? Now it's not negative y like just now, but negative y and positive y. So to this question, we instead of using negative, we are using positive. Okay, why? Can you see? 4 plus 6 is equal to 10x. Negative y plus y will become a 0. So 7 plus 7, 3 plus 7 will become 10. So here we can do the just on the operation. So my x is equal to 1. Okay, and then we need to pick up any one. For example, this one, 6x plus y equal to 7. If my x is 1, 6 plus 1, 6 times 1 plus y equal to 7. 6 plus y equal to 7. This positive 6 move there to become a negative. So my y is also 1. Okay. So can you see, you must find the sign whether they are same or not. For example, you should try this one. Another question. Negative x, negative 3y equal to negative 7. And then we have x, negative 2y equal to 2. So again, you can see this one is a negative and then positive. So I should use the whole thing, a plus. Okay. Negative x plus x 0. Okay. Negative 3y plus negative 2y become negative 5y. Negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. Okay. So to solve this type of question, okay, you may divide. Okay, but for me, I would rather you change the place because if you divide, then you may get wrong in the equality, right? Okay, so if I move the negative 5y to the other side is 5y, and move the negative 5 to the other side is 5, then only I try to divide the 5. So my y is equal to 1. Again, I need to substitute any one, for example, into this. X minus 2y equal to 2. So this y is 1. X minus 2, 1 is 2. So x minus 2 is 2. This minus will change to the other side. We can 2 plus 2. So it's 4. The x is 4. Okay, then we go to the here's the more interesting, the try and improvement today. Okay, this is the question. Allow me to show you again. If the question saying you can try between 0 to 4, okay? So you can try any number first. So x squared plus 2x is equal to 20. The x is return 0 to 4. Okay, in between, we should try two number. Okay, so for example, we try number maybe 3 and 4, 3 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, let's see. If this is 2, 2, sorry, wrongly, 2 power 2 plus 2, 2, so it's 8. 8 is too small. Let's see, we try 3. 3 power 3 plus 2, 3. This is 9 plus 6 is 15. Still too small, right? So we should try maybe 3.5. 3.5 power 2 plus 2, 3.5. So this is 12.25. This is 7. So it's a 19.25. Oh, it's still too small. Okay, then we should try 3.6. 3.6 plus 3.6. This is 2. So this is 7.2. So 3.6. 3.6. So plus 7.2. This is 20.16. This is too big. Okay, so I think the answer close to this one. I think this number and this number, I think this is closer, right? So we may get 36, 3.6. Okay, now. So this is always try and error method, so you can find the answer. Okay. Let's try number 6 lah, so that we can call the day today. Number 6, huh? Okay. So I have this one. If this is W and this is W plus 2, so the area is 13.7. Okay. So if times together, W times this one is W square plus 2W equal to 13.7. Okay. So we should try a number for that purpose, right? This maybe I'll try number 3 and 4. Okay, now okay, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So it's 15. Oh, it's quite close, huh? Okay, so I think 4 cannot try already because 4 is very far. Okay, so I should try 2.5. 2.5 is a 2.5 power 2 plus 2, 2.5. This one will become 2.5 times 2.5, 6.25 plus 5. So my answer is 1.25 is too small. So I may try 2.7, 2.7. So my answer will be 2.7 power 2 plus 2, 2.7. So I should try 2.7 times 2.7. Okay. 7.29 plus 5.4. Oh, it's quite close already. Okay. Then we should try 2.8, or if you're there, you can just try 2.75. Okay, 2.75. 2.75. 2.75 will be okay. 5.5. Huh? Okay. Oh, it's too small. Okay, so sorry. I think I made a wrong choice. Huh? You should go to 2.8 instead. So it's funny, right? It's fun, right? Okay, so this one is a 2.8 times 2.8. $13.44. Yeah, I think I think I made a wrong choice. Okay. So this one. So this is 2.8. Maybe we should try 2.8. 2.9. Let's see. Okay. Play safe. Okay. Plus 5.8. So it's 1421. Yeah, this is exceeding. So I think now only we should try the 2.8 2.85. Okay. So it's equal to 2.85 times 2.85. So my answer is 8.1 8.1225. 8.1225 plus this one 570 570. So my answer is 13.82. Yeah, this is so close. So my answer will be as close as 2.85. Okay. So to find this question, that's why you can see there's a box there to indicate this is a long question. I hope you enjoy that. Okay, so that's all for today. This is Handy Clement for your colorful notes. Okay, I hope that this free class will help you a lot and help us to share and subscribe so that to motivate us. Okay, thank you very much. See you on next week. Bye.